Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. How are you? I hope you're fine. Today I came with a new trick and a new video. Today I wanted to discuss with you trigonometry super speed VIP question 79 part. I am very happy to say you already I have uploaded VIP questions 78 parts from trigonometry chapter. So please go through those all questions. You will get 100% sure success from trigonometry chapter. So today highly demanded question from students is, if a plus b plus c is equals to pi value 180, then show that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equals to minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. ఎయిమ్స్ డే టు సక్సెస్ సొల్యూషన్. ఎయిమ్స్ డే టు సక్సెస్ బీచ్ ఎంత ఉండగా మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అంటే భయం ఎందుకు దండగా. ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీలో ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అంటే భయం ఎందుకు దండగా. ఐ ఆమ్ హియర్, వై డూ యూ ఫియర్? యూ డోంట్ వర్రీ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. మై నేమ్ ఈజ్ కృష్ణారెడ్డి, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims there to success made in India. Okay, now I am writing given value. Given a plus b plus c is equals to pi is equals to 180, so a plus b plus c equals to 180 implies a plus b is equals to 180 minus c. This value we can use later. Now I am writing LHS value is cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. Here these two values are in the form of cos c plus cos d is equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Here c is equals to 2a, d is equals to 2b. You can substitute. We get 2 into cos c value 2a plus d value 2b by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 2a minus 2b by 2 plus cos 2c. So here you can take a common 2a cos 2 into a plus b by 2 into cos of 2 is common a minus b by 2 plus cos 2c. So the 2 get cancelled. The remaining answer is 2 into cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b plus cos 2c is same. According to given value, a plus b plus c equals to 180, a plus b is equals to 180 minus c. So that value you can write here. 2 into cos of a plus b value is 180 minus c into cos of a minus b plus cos 2c is same. Here I will write a formula. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Here cos 2 theta value in terms of cos, that is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. According to this you can substitute 2 into cos 180 minus c is minus cos c into cos of a minus b plus cos 2c value is 2 cos square c minus 1. Next this minus 1 write first, after that plus into minus 2 into cos c, 2 cos c into cos of a minus b plus 2 cos square c. Okay, next minus 1 as it is. Minus 2 cos c is common from these two values. Minus 2 cos c common. The remaining value is cos of a minus b. Here actually we are having plus, but we have taken minus common. So if you write minus into minus plus, 2 cos c common went outside. The remaining value is cos c. According to the given value, a plus b plus c is equals to 180. Okay, a plus b is equals to a plus b coming into right side implies c is equals to 180 minus of a plus b. So c के जगह में 180 minus of a plus b substitute करना. We get minus 1 minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b तक पूरा सेम लिखना. minus cos of c की जगह में 180 minus of a plus b लिखना. ठीक है, और cos 180 minus theta फार्मूला. cos 180 minus theta formula is minus cos theta. ये फार्मूला यूज़ करना -1 -2 cos c into cos of a minus b minus as it is cos 180 minus of a plus b is minus cos of a plus b. So next -1 -2 cos c into cos of a minus b minus into minus plus cos of a plus b. So here one more simple formula I can write here, my dear students. Cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b is equals to 2 cos a cos b. Same value you can replace here. We get -1 -2 cos c into cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b. Formula is 2 cos a cos b. Next -1, next minus as it is 2 2s are 4. Write serial cos a cos b cos c is our required RHS. If you satisfy with my explanation, my dear students, please subscribe our channel and Inspire to Success. Support with us, share to your friends, like and comment to this video. If you wanted to get like this type of questions or different type of questions, so many interesting questions are there in the description box. This description box is in below of this video. Study is one of the part in your life, my dear students. Please don't neglect studies in your life. Practice makes man's perfect. Practice keeps a student top level. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్. Without pain you can't gain, without learn you can't earn marks. So my dear students, please listen carefully, learn carefully, listen carefully, learn carefully. 100% sure success will come to you automatically. So my dear students, a friend in need, ఆపదలు ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. మీ నిజ జీవితంలో నీకు ఉపయోగపడిన నిజమైన స్నేహితుడిని జీవితంలో మరవరాదు. కలిసిపోయే స్నేహమా, విడిపోకు నేస్తమా. I wish you all the very best in your future, my dear students. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. To get success, a friend in need, a friend indeed. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you satisfy with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. सबका मालिक एक है. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్.